Are you looking for a wig with some color? Then you don't want to miss this video. I'm giving you Keisha. I'm giving you Keisha. It's the color for me. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yo-sha and I'm your go-to girl for all things real. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out another glueless wig, and I purchased this one off Amazon. And I wanted to try color, but I am a beginner, so I don't know how to color units. I've seen plenty of like watercolor method unit videos and all these just different type of things, but that's really not something that I'm able to do yet. So I wanted to try this colorful wig, and it is going to be a 16-inch unit, and it's supposed to be just like a glueless middle part unit. So I'm going to pull it up on my phone so I can give y'all the specs just in case you like the unit once you see it here on me. So this is the Beauty Forever LT4 ombre colored silk base fake scalp wig, human hair, straight closure wig. The price was $112.20. I'm going to go ahead and click on the unit just so y'all can see. But it is 150% density. Length is 16 inches. And this is by Beautyforeverhair. So I just wanted to show you all what that looks like. It has this nice ombre effect to it. And I thought that it was perfect for fall. And I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. Right away when you open the box, you can see the color like popping through here. This one came with a headband. This is cute for fall. And then it also included a wig cap. Underneath the unit that I have on right now, I have on a brown wig cap. And I'm going to go ahead and take this out the package. I have my cousin here right now. She's going to help me with plucking and lace cutting and all of that. This is how it's looking straight out the pack. The color, you can really see that color on camera. I'm not sure if this color is the color that is pictured. I don't know. It looks similar, but it's giving me like orange vibes. I don't know if y'all can see it. In the actual picture, it looks more of like a red. And you know, the color T30, I don't know what color T is, but you know when you buy braiding hair, the color 30 is more of like a brown than a red. But this is giving me more of like an orange vibe. Like, you can really see that. Even on this camera, you can see like that orange picking up. It is feeling soft. It has somewhat of a smell. It's not unbearable, but I do smell something. Looks like they actually did try to pluck it or do something to it. So it has some lace, but it's not a full lace wig. It's just around where that middle part is. And then the part is not as defined as some wigs. Like this is supposed to be a middle part unit, but it looks like you can kind of customize it. You can see where the part is, but it looks like they did some plucking for me. And then in the back of the unit, where you see all this orange, which y'all probably can see it much better now. On my light, it looks real orangey. This is definitely a fall wig, okay? You can see the lace that's in the back, which allows you to pull it up. I don't know if I'm going to need to cut the lace in the back because I don't wear my units up. So, I'm going to put it on for y'all just so y'all can see. So, go ahead and put it on. Ooh. And this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, this color is really bright. I ain't even going to lie, y'all. The color, I'm thinking it's going to take me some time to get used to. But it looks more natural. The parting looks way more natural than I expected it to look. Like, okay, I got some space in here. I didn't do any combs. I feel like this would look really cute, like wine curled. I don't know. I'm going to bring my cousin on and let her tell me what she thinks. I thought it was going to be a little redder than what it is.
It's cute on you.
You think it's cute?
When you do the curls, I feel like it's going to be really cute.
You think it's going to be cute?
It's bold.
It's very bold. Y'all know I'm not bold at all. I stay in my comfort zone. So I'm sitting here like...
curls in it, that would be really cute.
The curls? Okay.
Yes. And then for fall, yeah.
For fall, right? I'm thinking like this is definitely fall vibes. It's like color. And then I can see where they did like the little tees of color here at the front. It's like a ombre. And then we're going to cut the lace and then we're going to pluck it a little bit. Does it, like, it look like they did some plucking?
Yeah, they did some plucking.
So it probably won't need too much plucking, but that's just the first impression. Then that's like if I want it down the middle. I think I like it to the side a little bit better. Yeah, I like it to the side a little bit better. But yeah, that's how it looks like first out the pack. My first impression is, oh my gosh, the color. Like, the color is definitely much bolder than I expected. But I think with a little bit of curls and stuff, it'll definitely look a little better. So yeah, stay tuned for the next clip. If you want to try this unit, I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something different and a color that would look pretty in the fall. A con is that the hair does have a slight smell, but for y'all who like to wash your units first, that's just what you would do. It's not something that's unbearable or anything, but I did notice it, and my cousin noticed it as well when she was styling the hair. The pros for this unit is that the color is done very nicely. It is a bright color, so if you're looking for something that's gonna pop, then this is the color for you. The convenience of it being done is definitely a win for me because I do not know how to dye hair, how to do developer and all of that stuff, and I honestly don't have time for it. It does hold curls well, and the curls look nice. I'm standing up so y'all can see. This is a 16-inch. This is where my unit is falling after having some curls. I'm just gonna back up so y'all can see. The top of the unit is kind of like the color 4 mixed with the color 30 mixed together, and then the bottom of the unit is kind of like a 350 mixed with an orange. So I don't know if that's like helpful for y'all, but if you're wondering, I will link the exact unit down below, so that if you want to try this Beauty Forever wig, then you can go ahead and purchase it for yourself. For the price point, for the length, for the color, I do think it's a good deal. This is definitely fall friendly, fall ready. It's super cute, and I still think it's beginner friendly. I don't think curling a unit makes it not beginner friendly. I think that when you have to start like doing a lot of plucking and customization to the hairline, that's what makes it not beginner friendly. So it's still a beginner friendly unit, but it's not a plop and go. So like on my scale for beginner friendly wigs, I have like plop and go, which is like the A plus for beginner friendly, and then there's like plop and go after some tweaks. So that's where this one is. You are gonna have to cut lace, but it's just a little bit of lace. And then we did add some foundation to the part just to make it a little bit less like the color that it came as. And we put some powder inside of the wig as well. And I think it looks cute. I think that with the powder, the curls, it really made this pop. Get your flat iron ready, get your curling wand ready, and you'll be ready to go. I do want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about the hair, leave it down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Y'all can't tell me. Y'all can't tell me that this wig don't give you Keisha Cole vibes. You just can't, like. I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. Wait, that ain't how I go. Wait, how I go? Wait, I used to think that I wasn't fine enough. And I used to think that I wasn't wild enough. And I used to, I don't know how the song goes. Trying to figure out why you play these games, what it's all about.